right. Now, what it will do is randomly, now you'll see at the very top, right here, it says review, so you'll know what mode you're in. It will give you some review problems. Now, these are problems that you've already tried. So it's just when you're getting ready for an exam, you can review. So if you hit this little down, I don't know, little arrow, give it, this always takes a second to do. You can see that I'm in the review mode. Now, you'll see all of these cards, this is called the carousel. So all of these cards, move it this way, all of these cards are different topics that you've done and that you can review. So you can slide this over. Let's say I want to review, now notice it says mastered. So that's something, mastered means you learned it and then you had a knowledge check and you got it right. So this one says it has a video, this one says it's mastered. If I slide over, let's see, notice, now I'm going really fast, all of these say mastered. So what I want to do is I want to find things that were hard for me. So let's go back to those 3 bars. And let's go to reports. Now the way I just showed you to review, that's fine. But let's say I only want to focus on things that I thought were really hard. All right, so if you go into this week's activity and click on View Full Report on the bottom, you're going to see, now if you don't have any rectangular gray spots, that means during this particular week you didn't do any work. So if I hit one of these rectangles, I can see on that day, oh, 0 learned, 0 attempted. All right, so I didn't do anything that day. This day I spent 5 minutes. Okay, so this must have been, I was looking at something. So I'm going to hit, let's see, I'm going to go to the top and hit month. All right, let's see if I can find a day that I've actually worked on things. No, let's hit all. All right, so do you see how these rectangles have little blue bars, little blue parts? That shows that I did some work that day. So I'm just going to click on the rectangular bar. And here's a particular problem. You can see the name of the topic, set builder and interval notation. You can see that I practiced it. See all these red X's? That means I got it wrong. So then the last 3 I did get right. But this is a good thing to review because this took me a long time to learn. All right, so that's one way you can review different problems.